Hi friends, my name is Emily. I'm an educator here at COSI, and I have a fun science experiment you can try at home. So all you're gonna need for this is some ice. We just took a balloon, we filled it with water and we froze it, and we got these nice big ice balloons. You could also try using some heat. So a flashlight works really well for this. You can try shining it on there, see how your ice reacts to that heat, see how it changes. You can also use some salt. So we all know when it gets icy or it snows, they put some salt down on the roads. So you can take some salt in your hand, sprinkle it over your ice and see how it changes, and maybe try to think of, why do we put that salt down on the roads when it gets really icy? And then if you have a magnifying glass, you can look at that, you can look at your ice up close and see how it's changing. Just kind of explore around and make observations to those changes.